working? Yeah, we're working. Alright. I'm just going to do a quick review of this phone I've got. It's the Kyrocera Dura Pro E6810. Now I'm going to hold it up for you to look at. It looks horrible, don't it? I can still talk on it. I can still text with it. I can still do pretty much what I want to with it. As far as, you know, what a phone's supposed to do. It still works, still has internet, still has everything. But I was in a motorcycle wreck Friday night, which I'm okay. And the phone got knocked off of me, and I reckon something ran over it. Some guy said, "You mean the phone that got run over by the truck?" But anyway, it still works. Everything works on this phone, including the talk and everything else. But just wanted to give a quick review of a damn good phone. That's all I can say. I've got a new one now, and maybe they can repair this one, or who knows. But it's tough.